So, I've spent the last few months diving deep, testing every single AI side hustle I could get my hands on. And you want to know the truth? Most of them are complete garbage. But I did find five that are absolutely 100% worth your time. In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly what they are and the tools you need to get started, step by step.
All right, let's just jump right in. Here's the game plan. We're talking fully automated e-commerce, becoming an AI social media manager for local businesses, creating and selling your own digital products, making music with AI. Yeah, seriously. And last but not least, building a faceless YouTube empire.
Because really, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? There's so much noise out there, so much hype. It's almost impossible to know what's real and what's just a waste of time. Well, these 5 hustles we're about to go through, these are the ones that actually pass the test. They're the real deal. Okay, first step, automated e-commerce. And this is exactly what it sounds like. We're talking about creating a professional, fully operational online store using artificial intelligence. From building the site itself, to finding winning products, and even creating the marketing videos to get people to buy. The playbook for this is it's incredibly simple. Step 1, you use an AI to build a beautiful, fully optimized Shopify store in, minutes. Then you let another AI find and stock that store with trending products that are actually profitable. And the final piece, you automatically generate all your marketing content to drive traffic and sales. It's a system. And here are the tools that make it all happen. You can use something like buildyourstore.ai to actually construct the entire store for free. Then, for the marketing part, a tool called Create UGC can generate these mind-blowing, realistic videos of AI influencers using your products. And get this, you don't even have to ship them a sample. And when I say realistic, I mean, it's shocking. In one of the tests, the AI made a video of an influencer pulling towels out of a duffel bag. The only source it had, a single flat product photo of the bag. My reaction was pretty much the same as the quote here. That is actually insane. It's just that good. Moving on to hustle number 2, becoming an AI-powered social media manager. Now just think about all the local businesses in your area, the coffee shops, the dentists, the mechanics. They all know they need social media, but they just don't have the time or expertise. That's the exact problem you're going to solve for them. This right here, this is the revolution. You know, the old way meant hours of research, trying to design graphics by hand, struggling with copywriting. The new way, the AI way, you just paste in a business's website address and an AI instantly scans its entire brand DNA, the colors, the fonts, the tone of voice, and generates entire marketing campaigns for you with a single click. The tool that makes this magic happen is called Pomeli, and it's actually from Google Labs. It's absolutely perfect for offering a fast, simple, effective service. Then, if a client wants something more detailed or custom, you can just level up your game using all the incredible AI tools that are now built right into Canva. All right, next up, let's talk about creating and selling digital products. This is for anyone out there who has an idea for, say, an ebook or a guide. But maybe you don't think of yourself as a great writer, or you have zero experience with professional design. Well, that doesn't matter anymore. The process here is so straightforward. First, you use a tool like ChatGPT to brainstorm your topic and then write the entire guide for you. Next, you hop into Canva to design a seriously stunning cover and format the pages. And from there, you publish it and start selling on huge platforms like Amazon or Etsy. You see, it's like having your own little creative team. ChatGPT becomes your dedicated writer and researcher, and then Canva's AI suite with amazing tools like Magic Write and Magic Media steps in as your personal graphic designer to make the whole thing look polished and professional. Okay, let's get a little creative with hustle number 4, becoming an AI musician. The quality of music that AI can generate now it's unbelievable. It's not just good for a computer, it's genuinely good music. And that opens up a ton of doors for creators. So what is this exactly? It's simple. You give the AI a text prompt, something like, create a relaxing lo-fi beats track that's perfect for a study-focused YouTube channel. And boom, it generates a completely original, royalty-free song for you. You can even get it to generate lyrics if you want. And how do you make money from this? Well, the options are huge. You could start one of those super popular lo-fi music channels on YouTube. You could sell custom jingles or theme songs as a service on a site like Fiverr. Or you could even create and sell packs of sound effects on a platform like Gumroad. The list goes on. And that brings us to number 5, our final hustle, and this one has absolutely exploded in popularity. It's all about building a faceless YouTube empire. The whole idea is creating super compelling, viral video content without ever, not once, having to step in front of a camera. And the potential here is just massive. We're talking about channels that get millions upon millions of views, all on videos that are almost entirely generated using AI tools. They're telling fascinating stories with AI voiceovers and stock footage.
The whole production process is basically an assembly line. First, you use an AI like Cloud, which is amazing for creative writing, to generate your script. Second, you take that script and use a text-to-speech tool to create a really high-quality, human-sounding voiceover. And third, you just bring it all into an editor like Canva to pair that audio with cool visuals.
So there it is. That's your toolkit. Claude is your scriptwriter, a top-tier text-to-speech engine handles your voiceover, and Canva is your all-in-one video editing suite. You literally have every single piece you need to start your own automated channel today.
So there you have it, 5 incredibly powerful, tested, and proven AI side hustles. But I have to be real with you for a second. Just because the tools are out there, and just because these methods have worked for other people, that's no guarantee they'll work for you. There's one final, absolutely crucial ingredient missing. And this is it. This is the whole secret. The key to success isn't trying to do all 5 of these things at once. It's about looking at the list, picking the one that genuinely excites you the most, and then actually committing to it. That focus, that's the ultimate multiplier. Look, every single one of these paths is more accessible right now than they have ever been, all thanks to AI. The tools are here, the workflows are proven. The only question left is the one you have to answer for yourself. So, what's your first move?